بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. First lesson in the trigonometric, the sine law. In any triangle, it has three sides and three angles. Three sides, small letter A, B, C. Three angle, capital letter A, B, C. يبقى 3 angle A, B, C و 3 side small a, small b, small c. The side small capital, angle small letter capital letter. Sine law is in any triangle the lengths of side are proportional with the sine of the angle opposite this angle. Sine of angle opposite this side. A capital, A small, B capital, B small, C capital, C small. Sine law, A over sine A over sine A, B over sine B, C over sine C. The first case, if it give me two angle and one side, we find the third angle by rule. Measure angle equal 180 minus ده plus ده, الانجل plus الانجل. It give me number 2 by sine law. A over sine A, B over sine B, C over sine C. We get A, B, C by cross multiplication. Remarks: area of triangle equal half times A times B times sine C, or half B times C times sine A, or half A times C times sine B. Example: in triangle ABC, A equal 10 centimeter. Measure angle A equal 50 degree. Measure angle B 70 degree. Find measure angle C, B and A and C. In triangle ABC, measure angle C equal 180 minus 50 plus 60. 50 plus 70 equal 60. By sine law, A over sine A, B over sine B, C over sine C. It gives me A equal 10, sine A sine 50, B sine B sine 70, C sine C sine 60. B by cross multiplication, B equal 10 times sine 70 over sine 50. It will be 12.26 centimeter. C 10 times sine 60 over sine 50 equal 11.3 centimeter. The second case, it give me two angle and the perimeter. We must find the third angle. by rule measure angle equal 180 minus angle plus angle. By sine law, A over sine A, B over sine B, C over sine C equal perimeter over sine A plus sine B plus sine C. For example, ABC is a triangle. Measure angle A equal 40, measure angle C equal 60, and its perimeter is 30 centimeters. Find the length of each side and the area of triangle. In triangle ABC, measure angle B equal 180 minus 40 plus 50 plus 60 equal 80. By sine law, A over sine A, B over sine B, C over sine C, perimeter over sine A plus sine B plus sine C. A over sine 40, B over sine 80, C over sine 60. 30 perimeter over sine 40 plus sine 80 plus sine 60. We get A by cross multiplication. 30 times sine 40 over sine A, sine 40, sine 80, sine 60. It will be 7.73 centimeter. We get B by cross multiplication. 30 times sine 80 over sine 40 plus sine 80 plus sine 60. It will be 11.84 centimeter. We get C by cross multiplication. 30 times sine 60 over sine 40 plus sine 80 plus sine 60. It will be 10.48 centimeters. Area of triangle equal half A times B times sine C, half times 7.73 times 11.84 times sine 60. It will be 39.6 centimeter square. The third case. It will give me two sides and angle opposite one of them. If you give me A and B, must give me measure angle A or measure angle B. First, by sine law, direct. A over sine A, B over sine C, B, C over sine C. Find sine A first. Find sine A by cross multiplication. B times sine A over sine A. Over A. After that, shift sign. We get measure angle B. And measure angle C equal 180 minus AOP. Number 2, A over sine A equals C over sine C. By cross multiplication, C equal A times sine C over sine A. Example, in triangle ABC, measure angle A equal 30, measure angle B equal, A equal 5, and B equal 7. Find C. By sine law, A over sine A, B over sine C, B, C over sine C. 5 A, 5 sine 30. 7 over sine B by cross multiplication, sine B equal 7 times sine 30 over 5 equal 7 over 10. Shift sine 7 over 10. Measure angle B will be 44 degree, 25 minutes, 37 seconds. By 180 minus A plus B, measure angle C, it will be 1.15 degree 34 minutes 23 seconds. By sine another 5 over sine 30, c over sine 134. By cross multiplication, c, it will be 9.6 centimeters. Fourth case, the corollary, the circle passing through the vertex of triangle. A over sine A equal B over sine B equal C over sine C equal to R. If we take A over sine A equal to R, we will get A or R or sine A. A 2R times sine A. R A over 2 sine A. Sine A equal A over 2R. And same way B C. Very important proof. Prove that area of triangle in any triangle, area of triangle equal to R square sine A, sine B, sine C. Since in area of triangle equal half A, B, sine C, we will change A by 2 sine A. Change B to sine B. It will be area of triangle equal half 2R sine A, 2R sine B, sine C. 2 cancel with 2. It will be 2R square sine A, sine B, sine C. Another proof. In any triangle, prove that area of triangle equal ABC over 4R. Since area of triangle equal half AB sine C, it will change sine C over 2R. It will be half times A times B, C over 2R, A times B times C, 2 times 2, 4R. Example, in triangle ABC, measure angle A equal 50, measure angle B equal 55, C equal 10 centimeters. Find the length of radius and the area of circle passing through the vertex of triangle. We must get measure angle C. Measure angle C equal 180 minus 50 plus 55 equal 75. We take C over sine C equal to R. C و C. يبقى 10 over sine 75 equal to R. يبقى R 10 over 2 sine 75. It will be 7.17 centimeter. Area of circle 2 by R. By R square. 20 over 7 times 7.17 squared. It will be 84.2. Very important example. Parallelogram. ABC is a parallelogram. AG equal 10 centimeter. Measure angle DAC equal 40. Measure angle ACB equal 70. Find the length of two diagonal and the area of parallelogram. We take the triangle MBC and find MCMB. and triangle MBC, measure angle M equal 180 minus 70 plus 40 equal 70. Isosceles by sine law. B over sine B, C over sine C, M over sine M. B over sine 40, C over sine 70, 10 M over sine 70. We get B by cross multiplication. 10 times sine 40 over sine 70 equal 6.8 centimeter. And C by cross multiplication and isosceles equal 10. AC is twice MC B, twice MC B, يبقى 2 times B, يبقى it will be 13.7 centimeter. AD twice BD twice PM, BD twice PM, BD equal 2 times C equal MB, 20 centimeter. Area of triangle BMC, half 10 times 10 times sine 40, it will be 32.13 centimeter. The area of parallelogram 4 times area of triangle, 4 times area of triangle, because all triangles in parallelogram are equal in area. يبقى area of parallelogram equal 4 times area of triangle, 4 times 32.13 equal 128.56 centimeter square. Thank you.